Any background voice? Is there any disturbance from my side?
Yes,
Or is it?
Pawan. Some disturbance get.
Okay, okay. No?
Now okay.
Okay. So yesterday we just discussed it, right, about DevOps engineer, like what the market is expecting and all. So everyone will choose, right, Naukri. Everyone will update in the Naukri for searching a job. So now what I will do, I will just search DevOps engineer. I doesn't care about experience and location. I will just search. If you are not talking, please mute yourself. Getting some background noise. So if you see Cognizant is looking for a candidate who have 6+ years experience, and they are giving a package of 10 to 20 lakhs, and it's a hybrid and it's in Hyderabad. So Cognizant, Capgemini looking for AWS DevOps engineer, and if you see he is looking for a developer, Oracle. So there will be multiple openings. You need to choose which matches for your profile. Tech Mahindra, Gensar. So if you see, there will be more opportunities for 5+ and 3+. HCL, again Capgemini, TCS. So now what I will do, let me keep 3 years. Experience will be 3 years. Search. DevOps engineer 3 years. So Aspire system. Let us check. So they are looking for a candidate who have DevOps and SonarCube mandatory, and he doesn't mention much about the job description. Okay, and they are looking for a candidate who can join immediate to 90 days. And it was posted 1 day ago, and openings will be three openings are there. Already 273 was already applied for this job post, and they are just providing 10 to 20 lakhs. So if you want it, okay, close this. Another one, Capgemini 7 to 12, and it's an hybrid. Location will be Hyderabad. It is also posted 1 day ago. So they are expecting knowledge on AWS. It will be 3 to 4 years, and cloud formation or Terraform, right? Infrastructure as a code using Terraform. I told you, right? They will expect some bash scripting and container services like Kubernetes, EKS. They will mention scripting and all. You just need to have basic knowledge. If you are perfect in Terraform, right? Container services and some AWS, what are the AWS services like EC2, S3, if you are perfect on that services, you can able to answer the questions what they are expecting, then they are going to hire you. Like if you see working with Ansible and Jenkins, that's it. You need to perfect in DevOps all tools. You need to be an expert. If you don't know the scripting part, if you can able to manage, they will definitely going to hire you, because in the market there are very less people who are expert in DevOps tools. Even if I ask some basic questions, people cannot able to answer nowadays. Anyway, for every tool we are going to have a session, right? For Kubernetes we will be having one session. There we will going to discuss about real-time errors, how to resolve that errors and all. Another, it's a contract to hire. So don't go for contract to hire. People will just keep you for 1 year, then after they will simply remove you from the company. So choose a permanent opportunity. So here also they are looking for Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes, right? CI/CD pipeline. Nothing but you need to know Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, and AWS. So if you see market is expecting more on AWS compared to Azure. Jenkins, Docker, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, scripting, shell. Even if you know the basic thing, you can able to crack. And they are expecting 3+ experience. That Oracle, and it's a contract to hire. If it is permanent, superb. If it is not permanent, you can just attend interviews. You can gain some knowledge. Tech Mahindra, they are looking for 8+ years candidate. They will kept 8+, but even if you apply, some companies will prefer even if you have less experience. Continuous integration, deployment tool, infrastructure as a code, nothing but Terraform. So if you see, as they mention 8+, they are expecting some development knowledge. Terraform is must, and they are using cloud platform as Azure. So even if you know AWS, they will ask some questions related to AWS, and once you join the company, you need to work on Azure cloud. Jen sir, please fill the shared below sheet. Okay, they just provided some form and asking to fill. So if you see, they have highlighted Kubernetes, ideally EKS or AKS, and experiencing programming with JavaScript and Python. So they are expecting some programming knowledge. So Docker. So everywhere Docker and Kubernetes, these both are mandatory, and they are expecting Azure. If you know one cloud, working on another cloud will be a cakewalk. It's loading. Now I will just choose remote. Remote is nothing but work from home. I will click on remote. So if you see IGT solutions, they are looking for a candidate and it's a work from home opportunity. If you see, they are looking for 1 to 4 years, nothing but 3 to 5. And they are providing less package, 3 to 8 lakhs, 2 to 6 years experience. 7 to 15 lakhs, not bad. Oh, if you see 3 to 6 years, 18 to 22 lakhs, 12 to 22 lakhs, Azure DevOps. DevOps engineer with experience in Python. So, so IGT solutions, DevOps, AWS, EKS, Docker, Jenkins, and Terraform. Right? If you are perfect in this, uh, uh, right? EC2, S3, VPC, AWS services. As a DevOps engineer, these three services will be mandatory. They are going to ask some questions on EC2, S3, and VPC. That's it. If you are perfect in these three services along with DevOps tools, you are capable to attend the interviews. Some companies might ask some other services as well, but majority of the companies just check for these three services. I will close this. So 1 to 4 years experience. So if you in IT world, 3+ is nothing but they will consider as fresher itself. So implementation of fully automated CI/CD pipeline as per the requirement. So if you see, if they are offering less package, nothing but the work pressure will be very less and it will be very simple tasks you will get. So if you are a beginner, you can easily go with less package. Even if you are getting less package, go inside the company, because first you need to learn, right? This is also a small mid-scale company, 2 to 6 years. They are also providing less package. Even if you perform little bit, they will easily hire you, and it's a remote, nothing but work from home. 7 to 15 lakhs. CI/CD using Git and GitHub, Docker Compose, Node.js and React application, right? They are using AWS CloudWatch, AWS services, EC2, S3, RDS, Relation Database Services, and Lambda. They will just expect you a basic. They are not expect any expertise. If you perfect in this, that is more than enough. ECS, you know, right? Same like Docker Hub. Sorry, ECS is nothing but Elastic Container Service. ECR is Elastic Container Registry. ECS is nothing but you can run your Docker containers in under ECS, which is provided. ECS is a service provided by AWS, and they are expecting cloud formation, Docker and Docker Compose, deploying web application, and they are expecting some database. Linux operating system is Ubuntu. If you see, familiar with Linux operating system, Ubuntu. So whenever I launch anything in AWS, I'm using Ubuntu itself, right? And what are the benefits? You will be having flexible working hours, gym, free breakfast, coffee and lunch, zero interest credit card and emergency funds, free books and magazines. Then after 18 to 32, and it is a remote work from home. So Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform is a must, right? If you're perfect in this tool, you will easily crack. You need to answer every question related to Docker, Kubernetes, and Terraform and AWS. That's it. Not other than that, okay? And they are offering you 18 to 32 lakhs. So that's what I'm telling. If you are perfect in this, you can easily crack a job. You no need to learn all the things. Just you need to perfect in all these three tools, and you need to be an expert. Whatever the questions if they ask, even if you cannot able to answer other tools, if you can able to answer these three tools, they will hire you, because This is the crucial requirement for every company. At the end, you are going to deploy the application in the Kubernetes. If you know Kubernetes, companies will definitely hire you. And yeah, you need to have a good communication skills, and you need to know some agile methodologies. And it 15 days, in 15 days you need to join, and it also a work from home. This is also work from home, and they are expecting Python as well. Experience in Python programming, strong background in AWS services, and experience in developing scalable web application using framework like Flask and Django. So nothing but they are looking for a developer along with DevOps. Right? I will open Notepad. First, let us have a clarity. Then, then after, you need to have 3+ years of experience. Nothing but you need to keep 3+ years of experience. Even if you have 5+ years experience, right? 3+ years of experience in DevOps. Like assume, right? Assume Pavani has 5 years experience, total 5 years experience in IT. Just I'm choosing as an example. Then what she need to do? She need to keep 3 as DevOps, remaining whatever she is working right now. Remaining 2 years, you can keep at present whatever you are working, like that. So 3 is must, because market is expecting at minimum 3+ years experience. And coming to package, you will ask me, right, what is the package I can expect? 3, right, experience into 3 or 4. This is the logic used by companies, HRs who are working as a IT recruiters, right? They are getting profiles, so they don't know what package they need to give for the experience range, right? They will use these formulas, right? If you have 3 years experience, 3 into 3, 9 lakhs, or 3 into 4, 12 lakhs. Nothing but their budget will be 9 to 12 LPA. So whenever if you have 3 years experience, and if you ask them 15, right, they will tell it is an out of budget, we cannot offer that much of package. They will directly tell, whoever called you, they will directly tell, we have a limit of 9, like only 12, we cannot offer more than that. Why? Because they will kept some budgets, depending upon the project, they will kept some budget. That's the reason they are going to use this type of formulas. If you have 4 years experience, same formula, 3 fourths, 4 into 3, 12, right? 4 into 4, 16. So you can expect 12 to 16 LPA. If you are keeping 5, you can expect 15 plus LPA, like that. If you have multi offers, then the scenario will be different. Then you are when whatever the offer letter you have got, the game will start from there. It everything depends upon your skill set. But I will just suggest, as per this formula, just go for it. If you are expecting huge, obviously it will create a problem for your profile in future. Once you get 10+ years experience, your package will be now as we are young, we are working. Okay, we will expect too much of packages, but once we get huge of experience, at that time our package will be at peaks. So at that time no company will be there for you to take, because they will prefer 3 years experience, 4 years experience candidate, because they will get 3 and 4 experience candidate with less package. They will not hire like higher level experience candidate. So that's the reason, as per the market, you need to maintain your packages as well, right? If you want, you can you can start a side hustle, right? Some people might start, they will just save their money and they will like do some investments, or right, they will run some business, like it's your choice. So try to start a passive income other than your job, but don't make your job, don't depend on the job. So that is my suggestion. Now we got clarity, right? Now you got clarity, right? Whenever people ask you what are the package you are expecting, how much experience you have in the DevOps, now you can able to answer easily whenever you get a call. Now I'm just giving 2 minutes of time to you. Now it's your time to ask any doubts. If you have anything, you can ask.
Yeah, Pawan, basically, the HRs are asking our present salary. Based on our salary, they are offering like 30 to 40%. We can offer you like that. At that time, what we have to answer them?
Yeah, good question. So our first goal was to get a offer. So you can frankly tell, yes, I'm okay with it. I'm okay. Please schedule an interview. Once you get an offer letter, then by showing that offer letter, you can attend in another companies, and you can come back to the same company and you can show, hey, I got a best offer from other company. Then they will directly give you a offer. So you need to play like that. First they will tell, as per market standards we only provide 30, as right, 30% of hike. As per your current CTC, we only give you 30% of hike. You can tell, yes, I'm okay with it. And some companies will ask you, like, do you have any offer in hand? So simply say, no, I don't have any offer. If you say I have an offer in my hand, definitely they will not schedule an interview, right? Even though if you have an offer, don't reveal that you have an offer. Once you shortlisted, then to tell, hey, I have an offer. Once you selected, then reveal you have an offer letter in your hand. Okay, any doubts?
No, bro.
Okay. What DevOps will engineer will do? Anyone know what DevOps engineer will do? Mostly work on tickets, right? It might be from Jira, it might be ServiceNow tool. So what is the tickets? What are the tickets we are get we will get? That will be a practical part. We are going to discuss. First, we need to have an overview. As a DevOps engineer, what will be your role? So whenever they ask in the interview, you need to tell. So these are the tools I'm going to. So I used to check like how the day will start. I will check my email for new tasks and attend important meetings with clients. Right? We know like what your day-to-day activities. I just want to know. Depending upon that, it will be better. I can share what I will do.
Yeah, actually, work completely on operations. There will be a fulfillment center in other countries. In that fulfillment center, some e-commerce works will be done there, like packaging.
Okay, I'm not asking about technical part. Okay, what is the ticketing tool you are using?
We
Like
don't
how
use
you will
it.
get the task?
No, no. Directly, we have some SGMT tools. It's Amazon. No? We have our own tools.
Oh, that's great. So how you will get tasks? Via email or what?
No, no. Directly, it will come one by one. We have to process the jobs.
Okay. Yeah, Akhil, just let me know what you will do.
Yeah, yeah, Paul.
Like what will be the role of DevOps engineer? Day-to-day activities.
Yeah, day-to-day activities, project to project, it may be changed. And as of now, in our company, we are using, and we are already set up a pipeline is there. If any pipeline, if any build was fail, we need to troubleshoot. That is the major role. And we can create a pipeline. If any pipeline, if anywhere fail means we need to cross check and we need to fix that pipeline. That is the major role in current company I'm working. And remaining things in AWS database creation S3 like that we are working.
Okay, pipeline means Jenkins pipeline or like what?
Yeah, Jenkins. We are set up a pipeline cloning and build around 7 stages is there. If any stage was fail, we can troubleshoot and fix the issue. It is that issue in our side or developer side we need to cross check. If we developer side we need to intimate. In our side we need to resolve that issue.
Okay, okay. So whatever Akhil said, that part we are going to, I will show you practically how we can see how we can set up the pipeline, like how we will get an errors, how to resolve that errors. That part we will enter right in upcoming days, right? The major roles will be what is DevOps, right? DevOps, nothing but developer and operations. That's the full form of DevOps. Nothing but what we are doing, we are merging both teams to work together. Nothing but we are a broker, right? We are solving the problem of both the teams. If development team get an error, they will come to us. Hey, I'm facing some issues. If operations team, nothing but admins, if they face any issues, they will come to us. Like that, we are acting as a broker and we will help. What development team will do? Simple, they will write a code. That's it. What we will do? Developer. We will take code and deploy using a CI/CD. Right? So here admin will be we only manage admin part also. We nothing but DevOps team only manage the administration. So in previously there will be many opening for Linux admin, right? Windows admin, right? Now it was gone. If you are Linux admin, you need to learn all the DevOps tools and you need to migrate your profile to DevOps because there is no Linux. It was replaced by DevOps. Some companies might have, because some companies will not migrate, right? So if you are Linux admin, what they will do, they will just learn some DevOps tools and they will convert it to a DevOps engineer. Even if there are who are working in Linux inside the company also, they will tell, hey, try to learn these tools and all. Then slowly they will work on DevOps itself at the end. Okay. Now, do you have any doubts?
It's clear, Pawan.
Okay, if you don't have an account, try to create an account. We are going to start practical. Nothing but AWS account. We are going to use AWS console. I will not do any theory and all. First session, okay, but slowly we are going to sessions will going to too much practical. I will take the code, I will build that code, I will deploy. But if I suddenly show you the project, it will make you confused, and that's the reason I'm just telling you the process. Once if you are perfect in process, then if I show you the project, then you will get full clarity. So what I will do, I will show you the clear picture. right? He is a developer, right? Just imagine he is a Java developer. He has written a code. As a DevOps engineer, we will take that code using pipeline. We will deploy safely to the server. If I tell you with real life example, right? He is a passenger. We will take this passenger into a train and deploy him safely into his hometown. Right? So train is not single, right? Obviously, you will be having different boxes. One will be general, right? One will be 1A, different sessions. 2A, so like this you will be having. How train will have different boxes for different people, and they will go to their stations safely. In the same way, as a DevOps engineer, we need to build this train of different boxes. By merging this all the boxes, we will get a complete train, right? In the same way, by merging all the boxes, we will get a pipeline. Simple. People will confuse what is this pipeline, how to create this pipeline and all. Pipeline is nothing but a train. That's it. You need to build boxes and you need to merge all the boxes. Then only you will get a complete train. Then only in the DevOps also, if you need to create a pipeline and you need to merge all the things, then only you can able to safely deploy the total application. How this pipeline going to create, that part will be, I will show you in practical part. I will save this. DevOps field images, DevOps train. So I told you, right? Whatever I teach, I will provide you in GitHub. It's loading. So this is the DevOps real-time repository, and there are 8 days of content. I will slowly add on every tool, Kubernetes, right? Terraform, Docker, on every tool I will provide notes. I'm just preparing. Nothing but notes is nothing but it's a real-time issues which we get. How to, what is the issue? What are the troubleshooting step? The things I will add. It's loading. So I will provide the Jenkins files as well inside the separate folder. You can take that Jenkins file and you can edit and you can create your own projects. Okay, it's taking time. So try to provide me your GitHub usernames. Okay, I will give you access of these repositories.
Sure, Pawan.
So I hope you all have an account, right, in AWS?
Yes,
Yes.
bro.
Okay, no problem. So I will stop the recording.